Hello friends and welcome to tutorial number 3. In this tutorial, we will discuss about working with numbers. So let's print a number and run our code. You can see it is working simply. So let me create a variable for number and I will give it the value of, let's say, 36. And we can perform many functions and operations with our variable, which is number. So let me write number multiply by 2. Run our code and you can see the answer is 72. We can also add any number we want. Let's add 34. Run our code and you can see it is simply adding it. Let's divide it by any number. Let's say the number is 2. And the answer is 18. So there are many other functions like round function. Before performing the round function, we have to convert our number from integer to decimal. And now we can perform our round function. In the brackets we have to write number, which is our variable, and run our code. You can see it simply rounded off our number and it has given us the result of 36. There is another function which is max function. It takes two numbers and tell us which is the greatest one. Run our code and you can see the 90 is the greater number in the number and 90. Same we can do with min function. It tells us that which is the smallest number in the given two numbers. You can see here the smallest number is 36.23. For more functions from math, we have to import math. So I have to type from math import star. That means it will import everything from math. It has imported many functions, for example, floor function. Let's check out floor function. For that, I will type floor and I will remove 90 from here. Run our code and you can see it simply rounded off our number. So there is another function which is ceil function. Let's try ceil function and you can see no matter what happens, it just increases our number by 1. There are many more functions, for example square root. I want to take the square root of my number and you can see the square root of my number is this. Let's check out the square root of 36 and you can see the square root of 36 is 6. We can also use the power function and my number raised to the power 2 is 1296. Let's perform ABS function now, and for that I have to change the value of number from 36 to minus 36, and now we can perform our ABS function and I have to remove 2 from here. Run our code and you can see the answer is 36 as the absolute value of minus 36 is 36. In working with numbers, the use of brackets is very useful as I can write 7 here. So 7 multiplied by in bracket number plus 5. What it will do is it will first solve the bracket and then it will move ahead to multiply it by 7. Run our code and you can see the answer is minus 217. Let's change the minus sign and run it again and you can see the answer is 287. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.